Hi there, welcome back to Hino Press, where we dive into all things creative. Today we're gonna look into this Prismacolor Accessory Tool Set. It's a set of 7 essential tools for artists, and we're going to see if it's worth adding to your collection. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at what's inside this kit. We have a white colored pencil, a colorless blender marker, a pencil lengthener, an ebony graphite pencil, a pencil sharpener, this one, a kneaded eraser, and a plastic eraser. Pretty compact, but packed with potential. Let's break it down and test each tool. I'm gonna color these leaves. This page is actually from our coloring book, Cozy House. And I'm gonna color this plants, indoor plants here. Let's see how it works. Blending. Let me see. Okay. It's doing a pretty good job. You see, you're getting rid of this line here. And you can transfer some of the green colors on the other part of the leaf. Looks nice. Pretty good. So the white colored pencil is a staple for blending and highlighting. So it softens the transitions between the colors from the dark green to the light green, and it creates a subtle highlight. It's smooth, but keep in mind it's not as opaque as some other brands, so this is perfect for those finishing touches. You can see, you can transfer some of the color from the dark green to go in here to this edges. So here we're gonna try this colorless blender marker. It has 2 tips, this wider one and this little one that's better for smaller details. So I'm gonna use it here. I colored these leaves here, and I'm gonna use this small tip for that. You can see this was blended with this colorless pencil, and with this we're gonna use the marker. This is dual tipped, and it seems like it's blending it seamlessly. See the color here and the darker lines here. And you can see the difference here in colors for this one and this too. So look how it makes the colors pop and smooths out any pencil strokes. However, be cautious, it can cause some paper warping if you overuse it. Next up is the pencil lengthener. So I have a short colored pencil here. I'm gonna put it inside. And see. Now, so if you've ever struggled with tiny pencil stubs, the pencil lengthener is a lifesaver. It feels sturdy and adds comfort to those last bits of your favorite pencils. A simple tool, but very handy. So a good sharpener is essential, and the one in this kit doesn't disappoint. It gives a nice sharp point without breaking the lead. Plus it's compact enough to carry around. Practical and efficient. I like how this sharpened. It's got that good sharp point. As I expected, this worked like my other Prisma sharpener. The difference is the size. This is great for traveling when you're on a long flight and you want to color. This is a perfect small sharpener that can fit in your art case with your pencils. So this is the ebony graphite pencil. The ebony graphite pencil is perfect for rich, dark lines. So it creates a bold shading and smooth textures. It's great for sketching or adding dramatic shadows to your work. And you just add this in. Just adding that short line. This is a really dark pigment. So this is one of the tools. So this is the kneaded eraser. So you could like move it around. This is classic for lifting graphite and creating highlights. So with this is the eraser. So it lifts the color. So it picks up shading without damaging the paper. And bonus, it's fun to play with, like Play-Doh. This one is the plastic eraser, and so we're gonna compare it with the other eraser. So see this, using this graphite pencil. Erase this. This one. Almost just the same thing. The thing is, this one is good for precise erasing. It's tough on stubborn lines, but gentle on your paper. A great complement to the kneaded eraser. So is the Prismacolor Accessory Kit worth it? Absolutely. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and perfect for colored pencil artists and sketchers. While some tools might feel basic, the quality is consistent with Prismacolor's reputation. For around $14, it's a solid investment for your creative journey. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coloring related content. And let me know what's your favorite coloring tool in the comments below.